Hi, I'm Tom and this is my bike check. I've got the McNeil grips, black. Then I've got the Shadow Conspiracy bars, white, with a Eclat brake lever, purple. Then the double cable, snafu double cable. And I don't know what that's called, but yeah. Yes. Then this is the Eastern stock stem. I don't know what it's actually called though. Then the colony top cap for the compression cap thing, I don't know. And then the green gyro plate. And with the snafu blue detangler. Then the Eastern Trail Digger frame. And then the Silver Storm Colony Phantom forks. Stock Eastern front wheel. A blue cap. Blue Odyssey tyre. And we've got the Eclat seat. Yeah. And the Flybikes calipers with then the stock Eastern cranks with Shadow Conspiracy pedals. And then here we've got another Odyssey tyre with a Colony rear wheel, and then we've got the I don't know what brand of chain it is, but it was only $20, so it was pretty good. And we've got the blue Shadow Conspiracy sprocket, and that's it.